Hey there, how are you?
Hello, team.
Hello. We didn't advertise this meeting so much, so probably nobody just visited it. Not sure if there any reason to probe it. Um, Actually, we can try to do a small talk. All right, let's do that. Going to share my screen and I'll copy paste this link
Yes, we
into
see it.
chat.
It's the document with community meetings notes.
You don't see that?
We see Google Doc, Cozystack community meeting.
Yeah, it is. It is. Welcome on Cozystack community meeting. We probably don't have anyone new on this call.
Yeah.
So I'll repeat that we have Telegram group and Slack channel where everybody can join and ask questions. So probably we are working for recording. So this recording will be published later then on our YouTube channel. And I'd like to repeat that we are preparing to CozySummit 2026, which will be proven on May 26. Feel free to get your free tickets, register on this event. This is online event, and there will be really numbers of cool features. We will publish the schedule soon. The speeches will include the vendors, also adopters of Cozystack, and open source maintainers. And today I'd like to announce the Cozystack 1.2 release. So there were also few cool changes. You can see the roadmap. You can see the release notes. First, we are happy to introduce new managed application OpenSearch. Also, we finally releasing the scheduling class and custom scheduling feature in Cozystack, and also a few other interesting options. Actually, we got community contribution for VPC peering support. Now it is possible to peer VPCs between the customers, between the tenants, and also a few other changes regarding to Victoria metrics. Now we have changed Victoria logs from replicated storage to use clustered mode of Victoria logs replicas. And also we just merged the fix for lint store. There were an issue if you have more than let's say 10 nodes, you might have an issue that if you're cloning the same PVCs, the clones always created in the same nodes. So finally, this fix should include the issue, should actually solve this issue. Please don't use version 1.2.0 because it has really major bug of CNPG. We get updated CNPG. It also bumped Postgres version, but unfortunately, the newer version of Postgres, it's not possible to update it just in place. So there is some issue with CNPG in upstream. So there is also a fixed version 1.2.0.1, sorry, which also hard codes the existing Postgres 17 for all the monitoring databases and also adds migration for the users databases to keep them on this version, not to update them automatically to the latest one. Also, this fix includes a lot of this release also includes a lot of fixes for the lint store. There were some issues with TCP ports allocation and some connectivity failures we found that newer version of Talos Linux have no specific encryption modules available. So we also hard-coded a CRC32 encryption algorithm, verification algorithm to all the DRBDs. And also a few other issues with Multus. There were some issues with containerd. Some containers just get stuck to be created because Sandbox already exists. Finally, we found that this issue is related somewhere between containerd and Multus, and found that possible to fix in Multus side. So don't use 1.2.0, use 1.2.1 instead of it. And that's probably it. Today also was planning to create a demo presentation which explains Cozystack basics for newcomers, but we don't have any newcomers, so let's schedule it to the next community meeting. That's it. Do we have any other topics to discuss?
Yeah, so right now in the release notes, you mentioned Talos 12.6 or something. But on the so I'm trying to find the link. But where can I find your build for Talos to update current node to latest supported Talos, whatever?
Yeah, that's a good question because we actually don't publish it anywhere. We have artifacts published in releases page. So, but they are just like, I don't know, ISO images, and they looks like this. And also we specify them in our tools. And thanks for pointing this, because I think in our tools it is not updated yet. Let's check it out. Yes, values. Yeah, it still uses the old version. We have to bump it.
Yeah, right. And the latest one here is just 1.12.1. So we don't have like 4, 5, 6.
No, it should be. It should be there. Should be there. You can find it in packages. Yeah, it is in organization level. And let's check Talos. Has 1.12.6.
Oh, nice. Okay, 2 days ago. Okay.
And thank you for noticing this. We have to update our tools to use latest versions. That's about Talm and Ubuntu Talos. Also, we did some research about the new Talos configuration format, because starting from 1.12, it's starting using multi-document configuration. So for now, it should be possible to also use it. There is no PR yet, but in fact, they just have changed the configuration format. Here we have just a single configuration file, but new Talos also supports adding custom configuration. It can be substituted with 3 dashes under it. I think we will update this tool soon. That's it. Any other topics to discuss?
So I'm not sure if now it's fixed or not in new version. So previously there was issue that so when we deploy the full platform with everything, so the enable packages and disable packages didn't work previously.
Yeah, I think we had a fix of this. I just need to find it's in list of PRs. No, run repo. Well, I was pretty sure that it should be here. Maybe that was issue. Let's try packages. I think I'll find this PR and I'll provide it to you.
All right,
Maybe,
thank you.
maybe that was this one. No.
Okay, so we can do this offline. Could you share any interesting insights from the KubeCon? Maybe you can recommend something to the community.
So far, I think I don't have anything.
Okay, just wondering if.
Because it's me who was on KubeCon.
Tell me how it was.
We had a few guys from community, one from Texas, it's Mars. He originally from Kyrgyzstan, but already 20 years or something like that. He lived in Texas, and he was very helpful. Uh, he discussed with people who came to our booth. He explained a lot about Cozystack. He helped me to cover technical questions because I don't have such a great experience in technical things. And a few people from different projects like Verve and Victoria Metrics, they was looking around and they came to us and helped us too to preach Cozystack
To run the both. Got it.
as between all guys. We met with the guys from huge US bank, and they were interesting in Cozystack. Guys from Raiffeisen Bank, I believe it's Austrian headquarter. They picked up Cozystack as a project for building their internal infrastructure. They cannot pay us or don't want to pay us, but they would like to be a great contributor in Cozystack, and we will meet with them next week, I think. And guys from Verve, it's a CI/CD project, CNCF Sandbox project too. They said that after I explained them what is Cozystack, they said that it was this great, not product market fit, but it's very very smooth presentation and very smooth target audiences and jobs to be done for these audiences. Something like that. It was it was great as always KubeCon and many people interested in Cozystack. The main questions I think the main question was the common question was about multi-regional clusters. All guys we were interested in that, and I think that's it. I was only one day there, and I don't have a lot of insights because I just stayed at Cozystack booth and uh, talked with people who came to us. Uh, so I don't have some insights about KubeCon in general.
All right, thank you. And I would also ask you if you could share a doc or maybe a link for YouTube video where you explain so the secrets management in Cozystack. So previously you mentioned OpenBow. So if it's currently used for all the secrets or something like this, so to position this as one of the benefits of Cozystack.
Yeah, I think that for now, OpenBow is used just to provide HashiCorp Vault compatible interface. It is not integrated anywhere. It is just possible to order it as a service. And then you can use it as with external secrets operator or with other integration tools in your tenant Kubernetes clusters. But Cozystack right now does not provide any automation tools for this.
Okay. So currently, secrets are not moved yet to the OpenBow, right?
Yeah. Secrets are still stored in
Like
Kubernetes secrets, and I think they won't be moved there, and there is no reason for this.
Okay.
Actually, Kubernetes has its own Kubernetes API server has its own mechanism. It's called KMS2, and it's actually also not moving secrets to OpenBow. It just have master key which encrypts all the secrets in Kubernetes in etcd. But for this reason, I wouldn't suggest you using OpenBow because if you are running OpenBow as a KMS provider on the same cluster which will use it, you'll face with chicken and egg problem.
Yeah, right.
But I think it might be possible to use Cozystack and separate nodes, let's say, to running OpenBow and use it as KMS provider for the another one. That's something that should be investigated. For now, we just had no time to investigate this.
Yeah,
enough.
right. Okay. Yeah, and what other enhancements currently we have to improve compliance and the strict requirements for some clients? So secrets are not yet in OpenBow. Okay, so other things is already done on the roadmap.
I think for now we don't even have open source roadmap prepared for this year. Am I right, Timo?
No. It's not. It has
Not
not
public yet.
published in roadmap, but we have in near future we have intention to integrate a lot of tests, CV monitoring, etc., in Cozystack development, and we just achieved and took CNCF open SSF badge for Cozystack. So it's about security too. Maybe maybe you know this badge too.
Yeah. This is another good news. I'll just merge this.
I think that's it in general, but I think next week we will publish our open source roadmap, and you can take a look at that deeply.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah,
And-
here we just get this page
Mhm.
explains that what we pass. There's some definitions,
Nice.
what is done and how the thing works.
Mhm.
Actually, for now, we started using AI quite a lot, even for developing. For now, we have really cool AI agent which generates user-based and user-understandable changelogs. There is an idea to use the same approach for security checks. So in fact, we can just publish security kills for the pipeline agent, which will run security checks using AI. I think that should be quite easy to implement, and it might create really cool improvement for the security platform security.
It's really nice. And one more question on this same topic about auditing. So if currently it's enabled, or there are how-tos to enable the auditing.
I think audit log is enabled by default. We just use the standard Kubernetes format. In Talos itself, it is enabled by default, and our log collector is collecting it by default. The only thing, this audit log is actually logging only requests. It's not logging request bodies. For two reasons. The reason one is to logging all the request bodies would generate a lot of data, and also request bodies can contain some sensitive data. But there is an opportunity to temporarily or permanently switch Kubernetes API server to local bodies if you need to.
So if it's on Talos, so it should push send data somewhere, like to some log collector. So
in fact, it just stores it in local files. So audit log is generated by API servers, and they're storing those files in a local file system. Then standard file bit process will take it and ship it to the to the Victoria logs.
All right, thank you so much. So it's time 11:30. So whatever 30 minutes.
Yeah, thank you for your questions. Feel free to join. We want to keep those meetings open, and I think we will push people who developing Cozystack to use them as coordinational meetings. So I expect that next meeting there will be more people with more questions, also related to the technical stuff and architectural. So yeah, thank you for joining all. I think we can finish.
Thank you guys.
And see you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Have a nice week.
Thank you. Bye-bye.